We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city in Florida, United States. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce names of famous places all around the US as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say this? Some people say it as Boca Raton, but that's not correct. For reference in Spanish, because this is a Spanish name originally, this is said as boca, meaning mouth, and raton, meaning rat, essentially. And I'm not sure why this is, but anyhow, the locals say it as Boca Raton, Boca Raton, Boca Raton, not raton, but rather raton, Boca Raton. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names of famous places and cities all around the US. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.